Thank you for purchasing the Pure Distilling Sightglass Kit. These kits will allow you to see what's happening inside your condenser. They'll increase the purity slightly by about 1% and will allow you to expand your distilling experience. So first step, we put the male adapter onto our lid. We use the fitting attachment to do the fitting up finger tight. We then use the female triclover adapter and fit it onto our condenser base. We're now ready to fit the sight glass. We then take one of our silicone O-rings and place it in the grooves on the triclover adapter. Sight glass is positioned above, and we fit our first clamp. Position our condenser and fit our second clamp. And here's the kit fully assembled. A premium Sightglass kit has a 100mm extension rather than the triclover male adapter. Here it is in action. Now that we've covered the reflux condenser, let's have some fun with the pot condenser. This is the gin basket that normally fits into the pot condenser in normal operations. What we can do now with the Sightglass kits is start using the bigger version. The longer version fits into the pot condenser the same way the smaller version does. Slide it in to the top, twist and hook it on so it sits. We now put this whole unit onto the sight glass as we demonstrated previously. With our large botanical basket in place, we can now start doing gins with a lot more botanicals, which will give a stronger flavour. It'll lengthen the run cycle that you can do with your gin basket botanicals, and you can also make a whole bunch of different things. We can use it to make spiced rums, flavoured vodkas. Try and experiment. Have lots of fun with it. Thanks for watching.